to move or copy a database to another computer, an IdImager database, you can either simply grab a copy from the folder where the database is stored on the original computer and drop it into the folder where you're going to store the databases on the new computer, or you can simply grab a backed up database, which I have in this case. So that's the IdImager cat.db and the IdImager thumbs.db, and simply copy them, like I said, into the new location on the new computer. And then all you should have to do is open up IdImager, make sure you select which database you want. So if it's not in the list, you're going to simply navigate to where it's at, and there it is, and then click open and then OK. So now that IdImager is open, we can go in and verify what's the catalog. So I'll click on catalog labels, for instance, people, and then drill down, and we should be able to find some thumbnails of some pictures. And there we are. If we were to go into our portfolio, you can see that under portfolios that also came over as well. And yep, click one more level deep, I guess. Here we go, in that collection. Okay, so everything's there. When I click on an image, you can see that it thinks it's in a different location. Okay, so on a new computer, most likely the location, the folder, is going to be different where you're storing your pics. So this says it's an e:temp pics, but if I actually go to where my pics are stored, you can see that it's actually in admin files, IdImager. I'll go back a level, and it's right here under pics, so it's the D drive. So in order to change that, it's very easy. We'll go back to IdImager. We're just going to close the portfolios here. We're going to go down to catalog folders and expand this, and we're going to click on the folder that is no longer valid, that's been moved to another folder. So in this case it's pics, so then we simply right click on this and we do relocate the folder on disk, and then we're going to browse to the new location. Okay, and the new location is going to be on the D drive. It's going to be under IdImager pics. So we just click on pics and then simply click OK, and OK once again, and it gives you a little confirmation box. You're going to update the entire catalog, and the answer is yes, and it's been relocated. And then the thing you have to do is actually close IdImager, and then we're going to go ahead and reopen it. And when you reopen it, once again, make sure you're pointing to the proper database here. Okay. Okay, so here it is. It's opened up. So if we go in and confirm the locations, we'll click on a portfolio here, expand it, and let's drill in here and pick a location and click on an image, and you can see now instead of the E drive temp folder, it is in the new location, D drive admin files. You can also go in and get rid of this old folder simply by right clicking on it and choose delete the folder from the catalog, and it gives you another confirmation warning, and just go ahead and click yes, and it's still there. And but our catalog folder, where everything is actually residing now in our new structure on the new PC, is still, everything's still in place, as you can see here.